Maximum security prison, cameras rolling 24/7, guards stationed at every corner. Yet one dark night, an inmate vanishes into thin air. No human accomplices, no tunnels, no explosives, just a robot and an advanced AI system working together. Sounds like a sci-fi movie? Think again. Welcome to the new video of the future of crime. In this chilling new era of crime, where artificial intelligence isn't just predicting the future, it's shaping it. Technology has always been a double-edged sword, offering solutions while simultaneously creating new problems. As AI and robotics evolve, they're not just powering industries or entertaining us, they're rewriting the rules of crime. One of the most alarming developments in this new wave of tech-enabled crime, robotic jailbreaks. Criminal masterminds are now leveraging AI-driven machines to infiltrate prison systems, bypass security protocols, and execute escape plans straight out of a cyberpunk thriller. In this video, we'll dive deep into real-world examples of AI-enabled prison breaks, examine how crimes are getting more sophisticated with technology, and explore the chilling implications of robots and AI taking over the criminal underworld. If you're fascinated by the future of crime, hit subscribe to Crime of Future, where we unveil the darker side of tomorrow. The image of a criminal sneaking through shadows with a crowbar in hand is rapidly being replaced by hackers, engineers, and AI programmers who operate behind screens. Crime has entered a new age, one where technology, not brute force, dictates the rules. In the last decade, we've seen criminals adapt to technological advancements with astonishing speed. From hacking ATMs to stealing data worth millions, tech-savvy criminals are now blending their knowledge of coding, robotics, and AI to pull off high-stakes crimes that were once unimaginable. In the realm of prisons, this has led to a chilling trend: jailbreaks assisted by cutting-edge technology. For instance, consider the infiltration of drones into prison yards. What started as smugglers delivering contraband has evolved into drones carrying tools, phones, and even weapons for escape attempts. In one incident, AI-enabled drones mapped out guard patrol routes, calculating the best time to drop escape tools. This marks a turning point. Technology is not just a tool, it's a strategic partner in crime. Moreover, cybercriminals are targeting prison infrastructure. They hack into security systems, turn off cameras, or create fake entry and exit records. Even prisons equipped with state-of-the-art technology are vulnerable, as AI-powered attacks become harder to detect. This shift is not limited to prisons. Criminal organizations now train their members in cyber skills, treating coding as essential as lockpicking once was. In this new era, the battle between law enforcement and criminals is no longer about strength. It's a race to outthink, outcode, and outmaneuver each other. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, and unfortunately, it's also empowering criminals with tools and techniques previously thought impossible. When applied to jailbreaks, AI becomes a silent accomplice, methodical, precise, and unrelenting. Let's break down the most advanced ways AI is reshaping prison escapes. AI-powered software can generate ultra-realistic deepfake images or videos that mimic the faces of authorized personnel, such as prison guards or administrators. Robots equipped with this technology can approach biometric systems, such as facial recognition cameras, and fool them into granting access. This method has been demonstrated in cybersecurity labs and is becoming a growing concern for prison security experts. AI bots designed for hacking can infiltrate prison networks to disable alarms, manipulate locks, or loop camera feeds. For instance, an AI-powered malware can identify vulnerabilities in a prison's electronic fencing system and exploit them to create temporary blind spots, paving the way for escape without triggering any alarms. Unlike traditional hacking, AI bots can self-learn and adapt, making them harder to detect. Imagine a robot programmed to operate silently in the dead of night. These machines can map a prison's layout using AI algorithms, locate weak points, and even deliver cutting tools or gadgets to inmates. Some advanced models are designed to climb walls, disable electronic locks, or even dig tunnels with mechanical precision, tasks humans would struggle to execute undetected. In this new age, AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming the perfect partner in crime, operating without fear or hesitation. In 2022, Tokyo experienced one of the strangest prison security breaches. A robot drone disguised as a delivery vehicle approached the outer walls of a high-security prison late at night. The prison guards didn't suspect anything unusual. It looked like a regular delivery bot, commonly used in the area. However, this drone wasn't delivering food or packages. It was equipped with an AI system programmed to locate and disable electronic security fences temporarily. Authorities later discovered that this drone was part of a bigger plan orchestrated by a group outside the prison. The AI mapped out the prison's weak points and attempted to create an escape route for an inmate. While the plan was intercepted in time, it revealed just how advanced AI-driven tools have become an aid in crime. In California, 2023, a hacker convicted for cybercrimes used his own skills to manipulate the prison's AI-based management system. He exploited vulnerabilities in the system to gain unauthorized access to restricted areas. The hacker didn't need physical help. His escape plan relied entirely on AI tools, including bypassing security cameras and accessing gate controls. Though the escape was unsuccessful, it showcased a terrifying reality. Criminals don't even need robots to breach security. Sometimes the AI systems already in place can be turned into weapons. These incidents are warnings of how the future of crime is evolving in unexpected ways. Let's rewind a bit. Why are these robotic jailbreaks even possible? The answer lies in a simple truth. Technology is advancing faster than we can control it, and prisons are struggling to keep up. Today's jails are not just rows of iron bars. They are high-tech facilities equipped with motion sensors, biometric scanners, and advanced surveillance systems. But here's the twist. The same technology that's meant to secure these prisons is now being used against them. Imagine this. A maximum security prison where cameras are programmed to detect movement and alarms are triggered by the tiniest sound. It sounds foolproof, right? But what if an AI robot hacks into the system and reprograms the cameras to look the other way? Or worse, what if it mimics the voice of a guard to override the alarm system? This is exactly how modern jailbreaks are happening. Criminals are no longer relying on brute force or physical labor. Instead, they're tapping into the digital world, hacking, coding, and deploying bots to do the dirty work. But prisons aren't sitting quietly. Many facilities are now adopting AI to fight AI. They're installing facial recognition systems that can detect deepfakes, using machine learning to predict escape patterns, and even deploying anti-drone technology to stop unauthorized deliveries. It's a cat-and-mouse game, where every new jailbreak method forces jails to innovate even further. But here's the catch. While prisons are upgrading, so are the criminals. It's a never-ending race, and for now, the finish line seems impossible to reach. The question remains, how long can we stay ahead before technology completely flips the game? The rise of AI in crime is not just about clever jailbreaks, it's a wake-up call to how technology is reshaping the entire criminal world. With every passing day, crime is becoming smarter, faster, and harder to detect. Let's dive into how AI is not only creating robotic jailbreaks, but changing crime forever. Imagine this. Gangs no longer rely solely on human operatives. They now have AI on their side, analyzing patterns, hacking systems, and even predicting the best time to strike. For instance, an AI-powered drone can scan a prison's routine from miles away, finding blind spots without anyone noticing. What used to take weeks of planning can now happen in hours, thanks to AI precision. One of the scariest parts? AI robots don't think or feel like humans. They follow their programming without fear, guilt, or hesitation. Picture a robot breaking into a prison security system. There's no pause, no mistakes, just flawless execution. And unlike humans, you can't talk them down or outsmart them. AI isn't just for physical escapes, it's also rewriting how cybercrimes happen. Hackers are using AI to disrupt prison networks, loop surveillance footage, and even unlock digital doors remotely. In one chilling case, a bot disguised as maintenance software nearly opened an entire cell block before it was caught. Here's the bigger picture. If criminals can jailbreak maximum security prisons, no facility is truly safe, It's not just about one escape, it's about trust in the system crumbling. A world where prisons can't hold their inmates is a world where chaos isn't far behind. AI has taken crime to a level we never imagined. And while the technology promises a better future, in the wrong hands, it's creating one we may not be ready for. As robotic jailbreaks become more real, several countries are stepping up their game to predict, prevent, and control these high-tech escapes. Among the leaders, the United States stands out with its heavy investment in AI-driven surveillance and predictive security systems. Prisons like Pelican Bay are using AI to analyze inmate behavior and detect any signs of escape planning. China is also at the forefront, employing a vast network of facial recognition technology and AI-powered drones to monitor prison activities, making it nearly impossible for criminals to hide their tracks. In Singapore, where security is already tight, the government is researching AI to detect cyber attacks aimed at prison systems, anticipating the next wave of digital crime. These nations are leading the charge to outsmart criminals and stay one step ahead in the fight against high-tech jailbreaks. As we step into a future dominated by AI, the line between man and machine blurs, not just in innovation, but in crime. Robotic jailbreaks are a chilling reminder that technology, in the wrong hands, can become a weapon of unimaginable power. If this video left you thinking, what's next in the world of crime, then you're in the right place. Subscribe to The Future of Crime for more stories about the dark, tech-driven evolution of crime and how humanity might fight back. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep questioning the future.